Give me the love and give me the for you. Y'all, this is the very first time that on this channel I will be reviewing a pair of Nike SBs. And you see the box, a lot of y'all know what it is, but I can clearly say, no exaggeration, these are my favorite. These are my favorite dunks for this year. Let's take a look at these babies together. Let's get it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid. Never, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And for this silhouette, or for this sneaker review, the silhouette that I am going to go ahead and be showing you guys today, and we're going to be looking at, is a silhouette I've done in the past. It is a Nike Dunk, but I will tell you, it is a different version of a Nike Dunk. And I've always wanted to grab the silhouette and do it for you guys, just because, you know, one, it's interesting. Two, I like it because of the different collabs and all the different, you know, colors and designs they have for it. But I've never really gotten it until now. And I want to say maybe there was like 3 months ago, I did go ahead and post on the channel, and I was like, hey, what would you guys feel if I got this? And a lot of you guys were like, thumbs up, 100%, you know, yes, get it, kid. So I went ahead and got it, and I also did wear these already to SneakerCon, but I had to go ahead and double up because I like them that much. And hopefully after I go ahead and, you know, get through this review, you guys will like them as well. And the sneaker that we're gonna be taking a look at today is the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick's colorway. And let me just tell you that this was probably already seriously my favorite SB Dunk of not all time, but of this year. This is the first time I've actually ever be reviewing a Nike Dunk SB on the channel for you guys, so it should be very, very interesting. But yeah, that's the shoe that we're gonna be taking a look at today. So with all that said, no more talking. I gotta get through a couple more stuff for you guys, and then we can take a look at these Nike SB Dunks in the St. Patrick colorway. Let's go. Now, first and foremost, before we even dive into this review though, I want to let you guys know, thank you guys seriously so much for the love and the support that you guys show the channel. You have no idea how much it really means, especially with all the stuff that I do. I'm very busy, and you guys are just very, very supportive, from watching to commenting, and it means literally so much. So thank you guys for real. I think we're like 2,300 subscribers right now. The race is 3K right now, and eventually we'll make more progress as we go. But I'm just very, very appreciative and blessed of all the love and support that you guys seriously show me. It means more than you really do understand. So thank you guys so much for that. Also, this is your first time checking out any of my videos, definitely go ahead and hit the bell notification, hit subscribe, because I for sure want you guys to stick around. That way, anytime I drop a video, you, your moms, your dad, your brothers, your sister, your cat, your goldfish can definitely go ahead and check out all the videos that I have to offer for you guys. Now, as well, I like to be color coordinated for the product that I'm reviewing, and I usually try to match it with some sort of accessories, mainly headbands, because it's just something that I do like to go ahead and do. So like I said, we are taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick colorway, and today I do have myself a green headband. We're gonna put this green headband on, and let's get straight into these babies. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we do got our Nike headband on. I had another green one, but I don't know, I couldn't find it, so this is gonna have to do. But like I said, today we were taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick colorway, and I'm excited because this is my very first time ever reviewing a SB Dunk on the channel, and I am going to go over some differences, because other than the regular Nike Dunk, there is differences for like tongue and sizing, and as well as just the quality of it, and it's all like that. I did go ahead and get these over on Go. These have dropped over on like sneaker retail stores as well, skateboarding stores. I haven't seen them on Nike sneakers. Maybe they'll come a little bit in the future, but for what I've only seen, they've just been mainly store retailers, and your boy was not able to go ahead and get it for retail, so you know how to go on that Go app to go ahead and pick them up. So if you are interested in picking them up, I will leave a link in the description where you can check these out. But here we go right here. These are the Nike SB Dunk. And as you can see, like I was telling you guys, there is going to be differences in terms of the Nike Dunk and the Nike SB. One of the big differences, as you can see, the box presentation. We have Nike SB, it has done in purple. Looking at the side right there, it does have your size description. I'm gonna read it real quick, but before I go ahead and I do want to tell you just a little bit of the differences. So Nike SB and Nike Dunks, there's quality in terms of Nike Dunks have more of a lower quality in terms of the SB Dunks. SB stands for skateboarding, and which is why these were catered more towards skateboarding. So you're gonna see right now, and don't scratch your head if you're kind of confused, it's still the same shoe, just like upgraded. And SB is like an upgraded version of the Nike Dunk. So let's go ahead and get into the size description. The size description does read Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. We got Lucky Green. I'm just gonna say that again. Lucky Green, metallic gold. The sizing is 10.5 men, which is a 12 in women's. And the SKU code for those that do care is BQ6817303. Let me go ahead and pan it out for you. And there is a QR code right there as well. Here is what they look like. And man, Nike this year and even previous year has been coming out with a lot of great SB Dunks. I've just never been fortunate enough to get them, but this one I had to. So let's go ahead and pan it for you guys. That bird is chirping. Relax, bird, chill. Let's go ahead and pan it. Let's go ahead and flip the box right here. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, perfect presentation right there. So like I said, I did go ahead and get these from GOAT, so they do give you your GOAT verification also, and here is your verified sticker right there. Let's go ahead, and as you can see, the first initial difference in this is the tissue paper. It's kind of like a design on it. It's like swirly. It almost looks like the what's it called? Everybody see that? You know when you go to like the police station and you do your fingerprint scan? That's what it kind of looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and actually peel this back. 3, 2, and 1. Let's get it. This is the one, man. This is my favorite dunk of the year, hands down. Here we go. Here we go right here. These are tough. These are honestly, these are very, 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 very tough right here. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are nice. These are nice. Like I said, there's certain differences, and we'll go over in a few minutes. We do have the quality control. You guys can see that right in the box, right there. And these are nice, man. These are clean. These are actually so clean. Like I said, I already went ahead and I wore them. I have another pair I wore to SneakerCon, but I'll put that picture up a little bit right here so you can see it. And when I wore them, I got a whole bunch of compliments too. But this is the pair that we're reviewing. So which one do you guys want? Let's go ahead and do we want the left or do we want the right? I feel like the left is speaking, but I'm gonna go with the right just because there's a set of laces in there as well, and I do want to go ahead and show you guys that. So let's dive into it right now. All right, here we go right here. So this is the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick's colorway. I love this so much. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of it, right? So starting with the outsole, we have a gum bottom outsole, and then we do have a St. Patrick's green logo right there. And unlike your regular Nike Dunks, it has it would just say Nike, but this one has Nike and it also has SB right there. Well, the camera picked it up very well. Looking at, come up to the midsole some more, you do have an all white midsole that comes up all the way around. Looking up, coming, I love this material. It's like a suede green. It's not suede green, it's suede right here, as you can see. And when you brush your finger up on it too, it has nice little stroke action right there. But here we go, we do get your suede. Then coming up to the side right there, you do get your gold swoosh or metallic swoosh. These remind me, you know, these remind me of the what's it called, the Sean Cleavers that came out, was it 2020? Someone in the comments will tell me, was it 2020? Let me know. Coming up, and then you do have a St. Patrick's. It's a 4-leaf clover right there. I absolutely love these. You know, with green being my color, I had to get these for sure. Coming up to the back, we do have Nike, which is done in a nice gold text right there. very, very well, nicely done and executed. Coming up to the tongue right here, as you can see, we do have a green stitch, and it has in the text Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it is done in gold right there. Very, very fire. Let me go ahead and actually take this out right here. As you can see, we have a set of laces right here. I love how they have it like that donut style laces. It's pretty cool. We have green laces, and we also do have white laces right there. These are nice. Let me go ahead and take out the shoe tree right here. These are for sure, probably, like, no exaggeration, my favorite dunk for this year. And it's an SB. Let's go ahead, and as you can see, we do have the size tag right here. It is a 10.5, and these are very, very nice. As far as sizing goes for the Nike Dunk SB, I recommend you going true to size. I kind of base these off of, you can honestly get away with going the same size that you are in a regular pair of Nike Dunks. And if you haven't ever owned a pair of Nike Dunks before, base it off of an Air Jordan 1 or Air Jordan 1 High, and the fitting is about the same. I told you, I wore these over the sneaker con, I would say about almost 4 weeks ago, maybe a month back now, and I had no discomfort whatsoever. I am an 11, but I did go a 10.5, and it was a great, great fitting. If you have any more questions as far as sizing, let me know, and I'll really help you guys out for real. But yeah, let me know how you feel about these. Comment down below, and please let me know. Like I was telling you guys, there are a little bit of similarities and differences in terms of it, and I kind of want to go ahead and kind of show you side-by-side comparisons. I have a Nike Dunk right here, so let me go ahead and show you that, and then we will dive into it right now. Give me a minute. Alrighty, so like I said, right, the differences between the Nike Dunk and an SB is that this was really crafted or created more towards the skating community. This is actually a skating shoe, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, the tongue is a lot bigger. For my example here, I'm using the dark marina blue just to kind of help with the comparison here, but looking at it right side by side, or I guess you could say with it, this is more of the material is kind of more better than obviously the Dunk is. You do have, like I said, the tongue, which is a lot fatter in terms of the regular Nike Dunk right here. The tongue is more thinner, and it's just like, I feel the reason why it's really cool, like I said, because it is an actual skating, but like the people in the skating community, the ones that that love it, like they got to go ahead and get theirs, their own shoe for them, and it's really cool. It's really, really cool. Another thing you'll notice as well is price points. Nike Dunks, well, as of lately, they've been going up in price for increasing. I really can't follow it too much, but they're usually, the price point is $100, and SB Dunks are usually more of a 110, 120, but the quality is better. You get more for what they say, and in my opinion, I think it's a little bit better. You know, I think it's better for sure. You get more collabs, they do more things, you know. This is St. Patrick's, so you get a St. Patrick themed shoe. But let me know down below too, what do you like more? Not to really stray away from the review, but do you like the SBs or do you like regular Dunks? Comment down below and let me know how you feel about that. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude today's review over the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick's colorway. I am going to go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. There are two set of laces like I've already showed you. There is green and there is white, so I will go ahead and also swap those in for an on-feet. I'm very, very, very excited. Woo! Hold the phone, I missed one thing. Looking inside of the insole, I know it's probably a little hard because of the lighting, but there is a Nike SB in the insole, and there also it has, I believe it says Air Zoom right there. Very nice. But let me know what you think about them. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a perspective right now. So take a look at these babies and tell me what you think. Here we go right here, the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick's colorway. I wanted these for real. I wanted these for real because I remember with them being green, the creativity behind them. I got a lot of compliments when I went to SneakerCon. This was a shoe that was really, really needed in my opinion. Definitely will be in the collection. I might even honestly frame this pair somewhere in my room. You might see it maybe in future videos. And in terms of price point too, these aren't going too bad. That's kind of another reason why I didn't really want to get SBs, because I know 2 years ago they'd go for like 4, 5, 6, and I'm like, yeah, I don't really want to pay that. But as of lately, which I really like to see, sneakers have been going down in price. I know some people aren't really happy about that, you know, mainly resellers, but for sneaker enthusiasts like ourselves who really want these shoes, they're really, it's good that it's doing that, for real. It is good. So let me know what you feel about the Nike SB Dunk in the St. Patrick colorway. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the review of the Nike SB Dunk Low in the St. Patrick colorway. I feel like I've said that a million times, and I do apologize. I do apologize, don't get me for that. But comment down below, let me know how you feel about them. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. For real, like I said, it means a tremendous amount. More videos are on the way, seriously. I just try to pace myself. I try not to go ahead and do just too much, because, you know, we're humans too, so we have to go ahead and, you know, balance ourselves. It's a balance. It is a balance. But like I said, yep, let me know what you think about them. Is this your pass? Is there not? Is there other dunks, other SB dunks that you rather have more than these? Please let me know. Also remember, guys, if you haven't already, follow me over on my socials, follow me over on the community as well, because I do try to go ahead and keep you guys up to date with sneaker news and sneaker, just anything sneaker related to your guys' interest. I really try my best to go ahead and do it. But like always though, this has been your boy. This has been your kid. I'm out of here. First and also foremost, thank you guys seriously for all of the support that you show again. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.